morning, good afternoon, good evening. Odessa Mix Vlog is here. I just want to greet my dear friend, Bibi Your Mine. Happy birthday. And thank you so much for the chance and opportunity to greet you on your very special day. And thank you so much, Chef, for our friendship here in YT. And thank you for guiding me since nag-start ko sa aking channel. You are there to coach me, to teach me, and encourage me. So here we are now. nag-enjoy si Odessa sa channel. So thank you so much for full support and love ni Nanay Odessa here. So today is your special day. I want to greet you happy birthday and wish you all the best in your life. And I know your heart is happy now. So congratulations, and press on, go on. Whatever problems will arise, God is with us. God is with you. And don't lose hope, because God will sustain us. Most of all, sustain you. So thank you for everything. And it's your day. Great blessings from the Lord, because God only can extend our life. And kahit wala tayong bunga-bunga na handa, but our hearts will overflowing joy, because life is precious, life is beautiful, that God given to you. So enjoy your special day, enjoy your gift of life today, and more blessings in your YT. And thank you, because you are active now in your channel. So what basta you are already blessed. You are super blessed. Physically, good health. Thank you for good health nga imong nasinati. And spiritually, keep in faith. And most of all, we trust every single day to our God, because God alone is worthy. So thank you, happy birthday, I love you, and God bless you. Bye bye.
Baby, you're mine. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best, especially good health for you and your family. Ayan, thank you so much, kasi nung 200 pa lang ang bahay ko, nandyan ka na. Ayan, hindi mo ako iniwanan. Nung parang naglaylo ka sa YouTube, hindi pa rin tayo nag-iwanan. Thank you, dahil sobrang tulong mo sa channel ko, and of course sa friendship. Ingat palagi dyan sa Hong Kong, and see you in Manila soon. Love, love, love. Bye!
Hello! Shout out kay Baby Your Mind Vlog. Ate Sheila, today is your special day. Today is your birthday. Sana'y marami pang kaarawan ang dumating sa buhay mo. At sana yaang dumamay pang iyong mga followers sa YouTube. At marami nga palang salamat sa suporta mo sa akin, kahit hindi na ako masyadong active sa aking channel, ay nandiyan ka sa akin. Enjoy your day, Ate Sheila. Baby Your Mind Vlog. Bye!
Hello, my God, love, shout out po sa lahat. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi po sa atin. Dito po tayo sa premiere ni Sissy Baby, I'm yours vlog, baby, yours mine vlog. Para po magbigay ng pagbati para sa kanyang birthday. Ayun. Thank you, Sissy, para sa bigay ng opportunity na mabati ka sa iyong birthday. Ayun, dito po para batiin po ng happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sissy Baby. Wishing you all the best. More birthdays to come. More good health and wealth. Ayun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. ชูนิเชงรีควายละชูนิเชงรีควายละชูนิเชงรีควายละชูนิเชงรีควายละmaligayang bati maligayang bati maligayang bati. Happy birthday, Sisi baby. Wishing you all the best. My birthday is to come, more good health and wealth. Basta more blessings to comes to you, at ang lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay yung matupad, at basta always keep safe and more good health, and lagi mag-iingat yan. Basta anumang pagsubok sa ating buhay ating mararanasan, basta lagi lang tayo mag-pray, at basta tiwala lang, kaya nating lahat. Ang anumang pagsubok na dumating sa ating buhay ay ating malalampasan, basta tibay at lakas ng loob ang iaalay, sabi nga raw. Basta yun, happy birthday. Thank you for the friendship, Sisi, and basta thank you sa support sa aking YouTube channel, at syempre basta hanggang malaya pa, at okay pa ating YouTube channel, tuloy-tuloy lang. Ayun, basta keep on fighting daw. Mamalengke ko eh. Basta yun. Maraming salamat, Sisi baby, and happy birthday. Enjoy your day, and I love you. Keep safe always. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Good evening, good morning, magandang tanghali, magandang umaga, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ayan po. Babati lang po ako ng happy birthday, at maraming salamat, at isa ako sa napaunlakan sa hiningaan pala ng birthday greetings. Babatiin ko lang po ng happy birthday, baby you're mine, and I'm yours. Ano nga ba yun? Kung maalala kung ano yung YouTube channel niya. Happy birthday. Magpakabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. At I wish ko pala sa iyo na sana ay marami pang birthday darating sa iyo. At wish ko din sa iyong pag-YouTube, keep it up. Upload lang ng upload para dumami tayo. Yan lang po masasabi ko. At ito po si Axel's Life Journey na magsasabing happy birthday. Dating The Creator's Vlog, ngayon ay Axel's Life Journey. At di ko na hahabain po ang aking greetings para sa iyo, kasi alam ko marami pang nag-aantay, marami pang bumabati. Bigyan din natin pagkakataon na meron na silang masasabi, kasi kung papahabain ko pa baka sabihin natin ko na yung oras. Yan po. Good luck. Once again, happy birthday, baby you're mine. Sana po ay maligaya ang araw mo. Bye-bye.
Mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, simple lang guys. Kaya ako nandito, nais ko lang bumati sa isang kaibigan natin sa YT na magsa-celebrate ngayon ng kanyang karawanan, which is si Baby Your Mine. Baby Your Mine, mega love shoutout. Kaya nais kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Bagamat hindi pa naman tayo ganun katagala magkasama, magkakilala, nais kitang bigyan ng maligayang pagbati. Enjoy mo ang iyong karawan ngayong araw na to, at maraming salamat din sa tiwala at sa pagtulong mo sa akin bilang kaibigan sa YT. Yan. Thank you so much always. Nandito kami bilang mga kaibigan mo na handang sumuporta at tumulong sa iyo. Enjoy mo lang yan. Yan. Congratulations sa iyong channel. Yan, sa wishing all the best for you and to your YouTube channel. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you so much. Ayan.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, baby, you're mine. Hello, baby, I'm yours. Happy birthday, dear Sisi. I love you. Thank you for having our friendship, okay? And more years to come, and have more birthdays to come, and stay healthy always, and always stay in love. I know. Happy birthday, dear. Okay, love you. Bye-bye.
Iwati pa.
Hoy babae, happy birthday! Enjoy your day. Wish you all the best. Stay beautiful. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Hi buddy. Ano ba sabihin ko? Hello, Ate Sheila. Ate ko na maganda. Hi. Ano bang sasabihin ko? Wala akong masabi. Hindi. Eto. Ngayon, wish ko lang sa'yo sa iyong birthday na sana dagdagan pa ni Lord yung health mo. Sana stay what you are. Ako nada, ang sabi nila, nag-Ilocano na ako. Kasi, basta, wala akong masabi. Ito yung ate ko na mabait, na maganda, saka natatakbuhan sa lahat ng problema. May problema ka man sa puso, problema sa pamilya, problema sa pera. Nandyan siya lagi, naka-agapay. Diba? Naka-agapay. Siya lagi yung takbuhan ko. Kasi siya yung malapit sa akin. Nasa taas ko lang siya ng building. Floor pala. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, te, sana ngayong birthday mo, ang wish mo sana matupad, lalong-lalo na yung pangarap mo na makapunta sa ibang lugar para sa iyong pamilya. Sana ngayong pagkakataon na to, ibigay na ni Lord sa'yo para naman mas lalo ka pang sumaya at mas lalo ka pang maraming matutulungan. Kasi alam ko na malambot mo yung puso mo sa mga nangangailangan. Nag-shade ako, nag-eyeglasses ako para hindi ako maiyak, sabi ko, pero iyak na ako. Hindi, sa totoo lang, nagpapasalamat din ako sa iyo kasi lagi kang nandyan. Pag may problema ako sa pamilya o sa puso, lagi kong sinasabi sa iyo, ikaw lagi yung pinagsasabihan ko ng problema ko. At sana ngayong birthday mo ay lalo ka pang masaya at pinapanalangin ko kay Lord na matupad na yung hinihiling mo noon pa. Sana ibigay na niya sa iyo itong pagkakataon na makapagtrabaho sa ibang bansa. Yun lang, wish you more, wish you luck. And God bless. I love you, buddy. Ate Sheila, happy birthday.
Yes, happy birthday, baby, you're mine, Sisi. God bless.
Ate girl, happy birthday. Thank you so much for all na binigay mo sa akin at tinulong mo sa akin. Thank you so much. Stay strong and have a blessed day. Thank you.
Hi, this is the Rog in Hong Kong, or Igorot Filmmakers 2. And for today's video, I want only to greet you in a happy birthday. Wish you the good health and good health and more candles to blow, more years to come to you. And I would like also to say thank you for your support and thank you for meeting you as a friend even in the YT platform until we go in the Facebook platform too. So ayan, thank you. Happy birthday.
Good afternoon po sa ating lahat ng mga kaibigan sa YT. Ayan, mayroon po tayong babatiin na mag-celebrate ng birthday bukas, July 17, si Baby Your Mind Vlogs. Ayan, happy birthday to you, and wish ko is para sa'yo is good health and more subscribers, hoping and praying na mag-grow pa yung iyong YouTube channel. Thank you for being one of my friends sa YouTube, and thank you sa lahat ng support. More blessings, good health, at sa iyong anak. Hopefully makagrad na ng college para, ayan, makapahinga ka na, makauwi ka na at maka-for good. Ayan, basta, andito lang ako lagi. And happy birthday to you. Talas Baby Your Mind. Ilang taon ka na, sana malasig mo kami. Ayan, God bless you and more blessings to come. Bye.
Hello baby, you're mine. This is Maru. Happy birthday to you. I wish you a happy birthday, and God bless you with a very good future. And take care of yourself. God bless you.
Hello, my dear friend baby. Today I want to wish you a very happy birthday. Always stay happy, stay safe, and stay healthy. May God always be with you. Your good friend Anil. Bye.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my dear ma'am, baby, you're mine. Happy birthday to you. A birthday wish for my very supportive, lovely friend, ma'am, baby, you're mine. Happy birthday, ma'am, baby. Wish you a many happy returns of the day. All your dreams come true. All success in your life. Keep shining and keep smile. Enjoy your birthday and all beautiful days. Once again, happy birthday, dear ma'am, baby, you're mine. Stay blessed. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby, you are mine. Happy birthday to you. I feel so lucky to have you as my best friend. Hope your birthday is as a special. You are my all of your dream come true. Thanks for being such a great friend. Happy birthday. Have a fun dear. My God bless you. And once again, happy birthday to you, my dear friend. Baby, you are mine.
Hello everyone. It's me Kedar Vlog from Dubai. I want to wish a very happy birthday to Ma'am Sheila. Baby, you're mine. May your birthday bring lots of happiness, fulfillment of your positive desire, what you have dreamed. And I really appreciate your continued support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. And thank you so much, everyone, all of my friends, those who are supporting me. Thank you, guys.
Hello everyone, it's me Robin Fitness. Yeah, and finally it's July 17. A very special day for me because my friend Baby Your Mine is celebrating her birthday. My friend, you have been a very good supporter, great friend and motivator from the initial day we met. I never thought that we would share this very good bonding of friendship when we came across each other. So may this birthday filled with lots of love, happiness and immense prosperity into your life, my friend. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you, my friend, Baby Your Mine. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting kaibigan, Kuya Dakilang, taga-suporta palagi.
And to all my friends, Filipino Nepali friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for making my day so complete, and I love it. And this is my wish in my birthday. It's not actually a plan, but just only a wish for me that one day I can have a birthday like this. I can have a grand live stream. Wow! If you know, in YT, in the first time I saw, wow, this is grand live stream. You go there and they are singing, and then they throw money and exchange banana like that. So I'm hoping that one day I can be like that. So now I achieve. I get it. So plan is a good unplanned is a good plan, like that. For me. Kasi so this is it. I get what I want, and I get what I wish and I hope for na can be happen on my channel. So this is it. So thank you so much, guys, for helping me and supporting me in my channel. And as I said, that I also support you in any ways. And thank you for everything. And what is this? I don't know what to say na. So thank you, guys. Thank you. I really appreciate all the people who come in my birthday and wishes me on my big day. So hope all your wish will be granted by God. So thank you so much, and God bless you more also, guys, who celebrated my birthday with me today. And thank you so much. And I really appreciate it. So God bless us all, and God bless you all. Bye-bye. And special thanks to those my members, of course. Your effort to support me and trusted me and to be my member. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I cannot mention you all, but I know who you are. So I'm really glad, and I really appreciate the trust you have on me. So I try my best to support you back. So thank you so much. God bless us all.